Welcome back with an update video, March 25th, and I've been slacking. Our cilantro here has been doing a great job growing. This has started to grow too, but I noticed that it was drying out because, like I said, I've been slacking. So I'm going to go ahead and repot these into bigger pots. I guess for me, my question is, I want to make sure that I'm making a good decision for these plants. And so I was debating on going with like planting them in something like this, or planting them in something like, oh, can you see? Like this. This is like, obviously it's way bigger. Um, I honestly just don't know how much space it needs. And I guess the only way to find out is to do it. So let's go ahead and take a look in here. The first cup, still nice and moist. I mean, you could see they look like little cilantro leaves there. Okay, so I'm gonna break it up and see. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? The roots within. You can see them growing on the side right here. Because I'm going to repot these. Not trying to break. This is learning. This is my first time. I am learning. Okay. Let me get organized here. Okay, so really what I'm trying to see is how many I have here. So I can kind of determine what size pot I want to use. That is the question. Being very gentle here. So I don't feel like maybe 1, 2, 3. See how they split off? 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm wondering if this is good enough just to fit here, and I can just try it so it has room to grow and do its thing out of these shorter cups. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, made some drainage holes here at the bottom. I decided to go with this pot because I'm going to actually want to create some space, and I feel like the other container was a little tight, and I'm just trying to, give it some breathing room here. Okay, got some shredded paper, got some sticks and stuff from the backyard, and I'm going to go put some compost in here as well. I was able to put some compost in here. Got a couple of avocado peels, banana peel, and some of the greens that we use. It's still, oh shoot, it's still not thawed fully because I just remember like, oh my gosh, I want to put some compost in there that we have in the freezer. And so it's not going to thaw that fast because I literally just thought about it. So I'm just going to roll with the flow. Then I'm going to put some of our, the compost that I got from the vermicompost bin and my regular compost bin to put in here as well, from our pitcher here. Okay, I put some of the compost that I've sifted through. I used some of the potting soil, and then I also went to my backyard because what I've done is any place that there's dirt, I've dug deep holes and I put compost in there so that the worms would fertilize that vermicompost naturally. And so I'd go out there and just use some of that soil as well because I know the worms have, eaten the food that I put in those holes. And I did find a worm that I did put in this pot here. Okay, this is kind of trial run. So I've took each one apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. I'm going to put some of my composting soil on this, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in the dirt because the bottom has the drain holes because I do want the worms to help out with fertilization of the soil. And then I'm going to go ahead and water it. I will not show it in this specific part of the video because I'm going to move to another area. But yeah, and I'm going to just because they're all laying flat. I don't know if you can tell, but they're not standing up. I think it's because I've also had them out and they need their light and, they're plants. Mother Nature, she's got this. We got this. Okay, got them planted. I feel so bad because they look sad. They're laying on their sides. They're not up. So I'm gonna let nature take its course, and let's get some cilantro going here. Yeah, let's continue to grow together.